Hi guys, and I'm trying to do a vlog. Yes, let's see how this works. If it works, it's going to be up on YouTube. If it doesn't, you guys won't see it. So I'm in St. Thomas with mommy, and she is over here. So I'm showing her house because her house dirty, but I'm still showing her house. She's making carrot cakes. Carrot cake, right mommy? She's going to make carrot cake and she's cooking me dinner too, so that's what we're doing. And yes, I started to vlog late because I was not in the mood. I was trying to vlog, but then my camera was hot. My camera was hot, and then them that play music all day because my cousins were rehearsing for some dance, something them have to do, I don't know, next week. But that's why. And you know, if anybody don't know about YouTube, y'all get copyright. So say hi mommy. Hi. Everybody else outside I play domino and all them things there, and I chill because it's holiday weekend. Heroes Day weekend. Yeah, so that's what we doing. Yeah, them out there start play domino. Hopefully I can see them, whatever. But yeah, we chilling out here. We are going to go partying later, so yeah, that'll probably be the fun part of the vlog when we reach party. And the sun not come down here today. So you can call your sister too. So yeah, we're gonna make carrot cake. What you put in there already? Carrot and the flour. Just put carrot and flour in already.
So basically what I'm doing is adding all the dry ingredients, and the recipe that I'm using, I am doubling it, so that's the trick part of it. So
I know I'm not going to put the recipe down at the bottom for everybody.
Not at all. This is my secret thing.
I dare you to take some of the butter and eat it.
It tastes
Why
nice.
not the nut cake mixed right away?
It tastes nice.
Yes. Tastes like carrot.
Exactly.
So we're here Sunday, approximately. What time now? 5:14. Marcia Galos. You know, she go and cook and bake things. Over there with the family, I go and easy. Ever not tea for butter. See me? Watching the tea for butter.
Can like for me?
So I just really regular Sunday vibes. Dancing going in the idea. Where they are easy now because we're tired. And I wait for everything to simmer down. Yeah, fling!
And then Tim and I have to YouTube it and thinking I go.
But that's true.
You see all the fans of them I eat?
I just love this.
That tastes nice. I thought that tastes really good. Can I get one for myself? Thank you.
You're not supposed to be eating a lot of wheat.
Tastes good though. Alright, so it tastes nice. So I'm going to wait for a piece more. See me not even tell Cheyenne now. I say remember me. So you can just call me when you're ready. Right.
It tastes better than the butter?
No? Butter always tastes better. The cake is good. The cake tastes good, but the butter always is better. Better butter, better. Better butter, bake good.
It is really good.
Yay!
The carrot cake was a success.
Wow.
Yes.
So, mommy can cook.
Mommy can bake.
Mommy can bake.
So, how was the dinner?
Yeah, some dinner.
You told them that I was cooking dinner as
The
well.
dinner was good. Real good to me. All have seconds right here. But who beg nugget, who no beg no one. Hi guys, so I am ready to go to the party. The party name is Footloose. It's a beach party, so this is my attire. And yeah, I think everybody is quite ready now. And we're gonna leave out, so I'll see you guys when I reach at the party.
Everybody in a party, and I one thing me see everybody depend. And I swear for my mother life when me play.
Audience link up right now, once again, audience link up. Link up around the bar. Audience to the bar, emergency.
Forget your children. Someone never fallen from the band. Forget what the girl let that out. Get a girl and must forget your children.
What else now? From a very young chat me every day with them funny too.
What I know?
Them a want to money telling you.
Ease up. Don't worry. Don't bother bring the money come for your side.
Them coward like that.
Are you ready to run?
Never yet get a chance. So how you got that?
So all them bad.
Them hungry bad fi make that. Fi them food that. I and I fi clean the me and my dudes, me and my dudes.
Yo, Kevin, I heard it. No, vamos a poner them singing out. What's your setting, Jack? 2 liters, me go want some pum pum soon. Yeah. I said pum pum soon. Yeah, it was a good look. Yeah, what are you gonna say now?
The part is done. You feel better now?
Yeah.
Because you were frosty.
I was. You know what I mean? We're about to head home now, though. Baby's food is not so.
You cannot tell the people that there's shit there.
We're about to head home now, but I need some booty.
Hi! You don't know me, but I hear your music all the time. Ready?
Now wait for everybody to come out. Me now move until everybody when my car come out.
So feel like you're ready.
I know.
Yeah.
So now you say hi. You know your music. You know your music. You know your music. Feel like glass broke in a food butter.
You know what time it is? Yeah, make sure that we're not at work though. Now we're not at work, we're good.
What better name? Better name what do whatever?
Everybody there in there, they have to walk past you. What you do?
Better than Cheyenne.
Cheyenne long time.
Yo! 6 is real. Yeah, it's a sharp boss, everything.
Alright guys, I'm gonna come back to y'all when we find everybody. So we are at the hospital. Why? One girl that was with us got too drunk, so she'd have to end up hospital. So we're here for a bit to see if everything will be okay, and then we might just leave. Me? No. You're staying, Juno? Ignorant.
Why you be so? Stop.
I'm staying.
Junior.
I'm staying.
You see, because you're kind of intoxicated, you probably feel like, say, it is on a level that it is not, because it is not on the level, because she never said no way, she said she has stay.
No. I asked her why she has stay.
You never asked.
You never asked her why. Yes.
You know, for drinking there, I'm no way, I'm not going to second.
Why you stay?
Because now we're family.
So, I'm just reach home. It is 11:04. So, I'll go bed, go sleep. And, oh my gosh, I'm going to go bed, just sleep. So, bye guys.